Hi there. This is going to be a first in a series of videos looking at alternative therapies that I use as part of my protocol to keep my cancer away. Just a quick background for me, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos. I was diagnosed in 2014 with an astrocytoma brain tumour following a 15-minute nocturnal seizure. I had that removed through surgery. A year later, it came back as a glioblastoma multiforme and now or a GBM4. Now they are the deadliest brain tumour that you can get, the biggest killer in the 40s, and it's known within the medical world as the Terminator. So think Arnold Schwarzenegger, I'll be back. It always comes back and it is relentless. The average lifespan is 3 months without treatment, 12 to 18 with, and not many people get past 18 months. I am now currently 5 years past my sell-by date, so I'm a great thief. I've stolen 5 years of life. So what's the first video going to be about? Well, it's going to be about red light therapy. I'm now sat in a cabin outside the underground training station, and it's the Loom PBM. It's owned by two good friends of mine who are dentists and who are usually at the forefront of technology, and they're relentless in their training as well, and that's Rach and Rich Gibson. So I'm sat here. So what is red light therapy? Red light therapy is a simple, non-invasive treatment that delivers natural light to your skin and your cells. And what that does, that boosts the cell's energy production on a cellular level, which is beneficial for a host of reasons. So why am I using it? I'm using it because light therapy is really good for cancer. It's really good for dendritic depletion. And dendritic is the heavy brother of hydrogen. Now we all need dendritic within our cells for growth, but in excess or in mass, it can be quite problematic, especially for cancer patients. So what this does, this targets the mitochondria of those cells and depletes them, which is perfect for cancer, as I've said before. But not only that, it has a host of other benefits on the body. It goes from hair growth to repairing skin problems. It is amazing for cognitive health. There's been research done and trials with dementia and Alzheimer's patients where their cognitive has been improved, so maybe it delays the onset of those illnesses. Not only that, it helps with weight loss, it improves bone density, so good for osteoporosis, it's good for sports injury, inflammation, scar repair. So as you all know, I say to people who ask for help, you've got to do your own research. Everything you do, you need to do your own research on, because cancer is as individual to the host as your DNA or tumour. So what works for me may not work for you. So I've done a very extensive research with a friend of mine, Oscar, who's out in Arizona, who has a glioblastoma, and he's added this to his protocol. He's been using it for quite a while, Oscar Garcia. So I've been in contact with him. Obviously America and the USA are a bit more at the forefront of treatment towards cancer and alternative therapies. They don't just look at the gold standard treatment, as they call it here, chemotherapy, immunotherapy and radiotherapy, which I've had of all. And it's very beneficial at the moment for him. So I've researched it, I've read documents, I've read science guides, I've read all the protocols for it, and for me I think this is going to be very beneficial for my prolonged survival of cancer. So, going to go nip in the gym, smash a session out, come back in and jump on this bed. So, I've just finished my session in UTS gym, and as promised, I'm now going to go and use the PBM Loom red light therapy machine. So here is the Loom PBM cabin, situated, as I said, just outside the underground training station. It's a nice little cabin. It's got privacy glass, bit of information on the front, and I'm going to get in here now and just show you what this is all about. So we go, it's getting nice and secure, so you can lock yourself in so no one can walk in on you when you're starkers, shall we say. As we come in, so here we are, as I said, this is the Loom PBM, and as we spin round, as I said, it looks like a sunbed, but it definitely isn't a sunbed. With a sunbed, what that delivers is UVA rays of light rays, which is not beneficial. Apart from getting a suntan, a fake suntan, what it also does is it destroys the integrity of the cells, and it also leads to skin cancer, which is a big no-no. So we have, in here we have all the different types, and I'll just do it slowly so you can see all the different health benefits that are posted up around the wall for your information. As I said, there you go, Alzheimer's, stroke recovery, osteoporosis, sleep, mood, depression, muscle recovery is what I'm looking at, inflammation for me, training and performance, and joint pain. And this is the bed. So this has medical LED grade light nitrogen lights, which deliver a non-invasive red light that's just going to improve the body in the ways that I've said. So here we have it. This is the Loom PBM machine fired up. Just going to slowly open the lid. And there we have that natural red light, which has been delivered from the nitrogen LED grade light. Beautiful. As you can see, you've got privacy glass. I've already shown you around. Obviously, with the current state that we're in as a nation, we have lots of cleaning products for COVID-19. The bed, again, more cleaning products. The chair, some nice mood lighting for your pleasure. Okay, so there you go, showing it. What I'm going to do is this will be my third, as I said earlier, session on this bed. After about number 10, as I say, I'm already seeing a little bit of benefit at the moment. After my 10th session, I'm going to come on and give you a full report on how I think it's benefited me. All right then, catch you later and be safe.